Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change font size on Android. First of all, go for your settings app. Then search for this display option on your mobile. Tap on it. Then you can see there is the font size option. Tap on it and you can make its default small or large just from here. If I go for small, you can see it's changed here. Again, if I go for default, and again it's changed, and you can go for large and it's largest. So yeah, that's how you can change font size on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.